we are assembling the Spaceship pop-up card. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my panel pieces. And this is a card that has the base in two separate pieces because they are too long to fit across a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So there is a slight border around these pieces, so just eyeball getting it in the center of your fold lines. Now that we have this part done, we're going to flip it over and prepare the base. So you fold it down level with your sides, and then the next fold line you fold up, and then this one folds back down. So we're creating a 1/4 inch gap to glue to the base here. I'm just going to glue this gap down. And do that on both sides. Top and bottom. There's that one. Now let's do this piece. And then glue your gap down, this 1/4 inch. This allows the mechanism to rest inside the base and helps it stay open. Okay. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and connect these two pieces. Do not close them up. You have to have them open to put your inserts in. So we are just going to line that up. And then set it aside. So there's 3 inserts on this card. Whatever color you want your stars to be, that's the color that you need to do your base in. Just going to so lickety split, that's the back piece. This is the center piece. So I think to make sure that I get my moon, well, I don't know if this is really Saturn. I tried inking a bunch of different colors to get my paper the color I wanted. No, wasn't having very much success trying to get the effect I wanted, but it looks okay. So don't glue this down your center until you can get this lined up where you want it to. There we go. And then push everything down. I wanted my planet to be behind this cloud, that's why I put it down first. I looked at everything before I started gluing. I had it all laid out how I wanted it to go. And I like this planet coming up from behind this cloud. I have gluey fingers, so I'm getting dry glue pieces on everything. So there is the center of the card. And then our spaceship is the front. So start with a cloud. And then your rocket. The body of your rocket lines up just behind this. It's not really an antenna because it's coming out the front of the rocket, so I'm not sure what to call that. But line it up just behind it. Just like that. And add the glass. Kind of reminds me of Flash Gordon. And then the lightning bolt. There we are. And that is the front piece. So when we look at this card, the front has just one slit. That goes there. Then our planets go here at the slit that's at the fold. And then this just gives us some more stars and clouds behind. So this is the way we're going to put our card together. I'll take this out. We're going to do the back piece first. And you want to line this up just above, and try to get it as straight as you can. I'm going to fold my tab so that it's pliable and put glue on it. And then you're just going to glue this down. And now for the center, you can put this in. And it's going to go just to the bottom of your fold there. You're going to lift up your tab and put glue along here underneath it and glue this down. So this is very important. If you forget to glue this tab down, then the top of your center will not lift up. This is what lifts the whole mechanism up. Lifts it up and allows it to close, okay? So we've got that side done, and now, again, you just want to bring this just right to the edge of that, okay? And glue your tab. Now what we're going to do is we're going to glue these two tabs together, front and back. We're going to bring it over, we're going to close it and glue just these tabs. You want to make sure not to glue this to this piece, so make sure any glue that you might have gotten on that around there is off, because your card again won't function correctly if it's glued to that. So now we are just adding glue to these two tabs so that we can glue them together. Then we're going to lift this up and fold this tab down. And then close it up. Hold it long enough to make sure you've got it attached. Well, that is not going to work. I am going to redo the bottom. There will be a cloud at the bottom because the star does not have enough stability to hold the card up. So your design will be a little bit different when you're assembling it. You'll have a cloud there at the bottom to hold this back piece up. But there is the rocket ship pop-up card. Thank you.